We're going to install the low-range shift cable bracket on the INEOS Grenadier. I've got a wagon here. Both wagon and the quartermaster are going to be similar. You got it in a box. You have a couple of different options. If you have a QR code on here, just go in and scan the QR code and it'll bring up the instruction guide. This one's pretty simple. It's only going to require 2 tools and we'll have it up on the lift so it'll be real easy. Better for you to take a look at it. The other way is go to our website and you can print up a copy for yourself. So let's open this guy up. There's our zip tie and our bolt. So we're gonna need a cutter and we're gonna need a 15mm socket. I'm gonna use impact, little quarter drive impact to do the install. So here's our 2 parts. So let's go underneath and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so here's that low range shift cable on the Grenadier. So basically it's coming up here. What can happen is this guy can come off out of here and it can come down and relax and hit down to here. So what we've done is we've come up with a bracket to support that. Our brackets are gonna come in here like this and bolt in. So step 1, we're gonna fish the zip tie through here. This is gonna be a pretty snug little fit and hard to get your hands up in there. So we're gonna put that zip tie on there like that. And then we're gonna take the bracket and we're gonna put it up in place like this. We're gonna tighten down the bolt. You got everything all lined up. Tighten that puppy down. We're gonna take the zip tie. Tighten down the zip tie. And then you're gonna cut the zip tie right off. That is it. So that's things stout installed in there. Your bracket's supported, and it just kind of takes care of either this bracket from INEOS, or in some cases we're seeing them come in here and they've got different zip ties hold them into place. This is a much more substantial setup. All right, so that low range shift cable bracket is to hold the cable up out of the way so it doesn't hit the drive shaft. If you've ever had it hitting your drive shaft, it sounds like a horrendous noise under the vehicle. You actually feel it in your feet. So if you've experienced that, you look underneath your cables hitting the drive shaft, you need that. Super easy. Can be done in your driveway. I mean, we're talking a 15mm socket and a zip tie cutter. A little bit of patience. But other than that, super simple. So happy trails, guys.